I don't know how much I'm going to be talking in this vlog. So that's a disclaimer. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling really weird today, so I got out of bed around 1. I don't know, like every time I hit this date each month, I feel like, especially recently, just like my depression just gets so bad. And I cry for no reason, and I have no motivation to do anything, and I just like make everything get really disgusting and messy. So yeah, today I'm just gonna clean, finally just get out of this like, feeling like a rut. Maybe if I clean, everything will feel nicer and start feeling better. I don't know. Yeah, I have so much to do. Oh, I'm going climbing later and I'm really excited about that. So there are things to look forward to. I just need to look forward to them. It's sunny, like the sun literally has come out for the first time in ages. Look how pretty the fall colors are. Jackson and I got these Nerf guns, and it's just been like a really fun way to play around and incorporate play into our lives and remember that we're children at heart. You know what? I got some new ARITZIA pants that I can show you. The effortless pant in this brown color. The pants that I'm wearing right now are ARITZIA too, but these are a couple years old. I also bought the Brennan pant. I like these because they're just so soft and comfy, and they have like that more like stretchy material, so that's really fun. And then I also got this modern utility pant. I'm gonna return these ones because I don't need 3 pairs of pants. I will try it on and show you, and then we're gonna go on my balcony and edit some photos. Maybe it'll inspire me to edit better or whatever. They're just like so comfy. Out of all 3 of them, my favorite is the effortless. It just looks so snatched, you know? These are also so cute and comfy, but they don't have a back pocket. I just don't need, I use my back pockets a lot. Yeah. And these are kind of nice, like they're like nice and big. The photos I have to edit are all on like a Google Drive, so I haven't downloaded them, and to wait for them to download. Oh, what the heck, it's almost done. I thought it was gonna take a lot longer, so I was gonna read, but I guess not. I am actually gonna read. I'm reading Normal People. This is like the first book in a while that I've actually picked up and been okay to consistently get back to and stuff. Oh, my computer's still downloading the photos. It's been like an hour almost. It says 10 more minutes and then I'm gonna nap. It is now 6:40. I just heated my butternut squash soup. It's a good temperature. Some salad leftovers from a couple days ago. My Nando's leftovers. Life is good. You can already tell, like, now that I'm awake, I'm just in this whole new mood. I'm like a whole new person. This salad has like a dill pickle dressing. Pretty good. I think it's just a pure distraction to have you all watching me drive, so I will see you at the climbing gym. Like, look how much snow is there. No, I know, it's so much snow.
Yeah. You can go and then
turn around.
Yeah, if you're like, okay, the snow is definitely 20 centimeters and like.
Hey everybody, just finished my climb. That was fun. I feel so much better. It's so good. I love climbing with Nicole, and it just makes you feel so good. I'm gonna go home and probably go to sleep. Oh, I think I pulled something in my back. It's kind of sore. I'm gonna read and go to sleep. I think today was hard enough. It's only 9:30, but I'm still tired. I don't know why I've been feeling this way. I don't know if it's the weather, because that's like very much a big potential. I don't know if it's because it's the time of the month, but thank you for spending the day with me. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.